Welcome. Before we even think about extraction, we must prepare the canvas. Blackheads, or open comedones, are simply pores clogged with a mix of sebum that's your skin's natural oil and dead skin cells. The tip oxidizes when exposed to air, turning dark. Our goal is to remove them gently without trauma. So we always start with clean hands and a freshly cleansed face. Use a gentle, non-abrasive cleanser with lukewarm water. Hot water can irritate, cold won't open pores effectively. Lukewarm is the perfect middle ground. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel, never scrub. Now, we need to soften the sebum and gently encourage the pores to dilate. The safest, most effective method is: you don't need a fancy machine, simply lean over a bowl of hot water at a comfortable distance. Please, we are steaming, not scalding, and drape a towel over your head to create a tent. Stay there for 5 to 10 minutes. The warmth and humidity will help loosen the debris within the pore. For an extra boost, you can add a few drops of tea tree oil or chamomile to the water if steam isn't for you. Applying a warm, damp washcloth to the area for a few minutes can also help. Step 2. Preparation is complete. Your skin should feel soft and supple. Now, we move to extraction. Crucial note: if you have severe acne, inflammation, or sensitive skin, this next step is best left to a professional. For occasional blackheads, proceed with extreme care. The golden rule: never use your fingernails. You will damage your skin, cause inflammation, and likely push debris deeper. The proper tool is a cum-done extractor, a small metal tool with a tiny, centered loop at one end. You must sterilize it with rubbing alcohol before and after every single use. Here's the technique: position the centered loop directly around the blackhead. Apply gentle, even, downward * pressure, and then this is key: roll the tool slightly. The goal is to coax the plug upward and out. If it doesn't release after 1 or 2 tries, **** stop. ***, that blackhead isn't ready. Forcing it will cause broken capillaries and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, dark marks that last far longer than any blackhead. For areas without a tool, if you must, you can use the pads of your clean index fingers, wrapped in a clean tissue. Place them on either side of the blackhead and press down, then gently push together and upward. Again, if it doesn't budge easily, leave it be. Your skin is telling you it's not time. Step 3. The extraction phase is over. Now, your skin is vulnerable. We must treat it with kindness to calm any redness and protect it. Immediately after, apply a soothing toner. Look for ingredients like witch hazel, rosewater, Centella asiatica, or niacinamide. These will help calm the skin, reduce any temporary redness, and provide a mild antiseptic effect. Avoid toners with high alcohol content, as they can be overly stripping and irritating right now. Next, a treatment step to help prevent recurrence. Apply a product containing salicylic acid, BHA. This is a star ingredient because it's oil-soluble, meaning it can penetrate into the pore lining to dissolve excess sebum and exfoliate from within. A swipe with a salicylic acid pad or a light serum is perfect. This helps clear out any remaining debris and keeps pores clear. Finally, lock in hydration. Even oily skin needs moisture. Use a lightweight. Step 5. You have the tools. You have the technique. You have the discipline of daily care. Now, we arrive at the stage of true mastery, the art of listening and adapting. This isn't a rigid checklist. It's a living practice that evolves with your skin. First, become a detective of your own complexion. Keep a simple mental or physical log. After your weekly care ritual, note which areas yielded easily, which resisted, which became red or irritated. This isn't failure, it's data. A blackhead that doesn't release is telling you it's either too deep or not yet ready. That area may need more consistent salicylic acid treatment in your daily routine. Or perhaps a slightly longer steaming time next session. Your chin may need clay masks weekly, while your forehead is fine with bi-weekly. Customize your care by zone. Blackheads that are very small, deep, and feel like grit under the skin ***, sebaceous filaments, leave them be. They are a natural part of your skin's architecture and will refill. Consistent chemical exfoliation will minimize their appearance. Any sign of infection, increased pain, heat, or pus. This is the time to stop and consult a dermatologist. Simple fatigue or impatience. If your hands are unsteady or you are frustrated, put the tools down. Skincare is self-care, not self-punishment. You are no longer just removing. You are nurturing. You are maintaining. You are mastering. Carry that confidence with you every single day.